You've probably come across those viral TikTok videos that highlight intriguing facts about different places from the coldest countries to hidden islands. These types of videos gain traction quickly because they're both entertaining and educational. This niche is booming on TikTok and YouTube Shorts, with creators racking up thousands of views and building large followings by sharing such content. The best part, this niche is highly monetizable. Start by brainstorming compelling video topics. For this, we'll use ChatGPT. Head over to ChatGPT and ask it to generate 10 creative short video ideas for a geography-focused channel. Take your time to review the list and pick the idea that excites you most. For this example, we're going with the coldest inhabited place on Earth. Next, prompt ChatGPT to create a short, engaging script for your chosen idea, which will serve as the foundation for your video. Moving on is to create a voiceover. To transform your script into a professional voiceover, we'll use 11 Labs. Visit their website, sign up and log in. Copy your script from ChatGPT and paste it into the text box on 11 Labs. Review the text carefully. Remove any part you don't want included in your script. Now click on the Voices tab and explore the wide range of options available. Preview the voices to ensure the selected one aligns with the mood and message of your video. Once you've made your selection, click Generate Speech. At this point, 11 Labs will work its magic, transforming your script into a high-quality voiceover. When the voiceover is ready, download it straight to your device. Now we need visuals to complement the voiceover for our video. First, we need a map view of the country we are talking about. Open your browser and search for a map of the country you're covering in your video. Once the search results appear, click on the Images tab and browse through various options. Look for a clear, high-quality map that showcases the country's boundaries and key details. When you find the perfect map, download it directly to your device. Next, search for the flag of the country and download a high-quality image of it. This will help make our video more dynamic and visually engaging. To create additional visuals, we'll use Leonardo AI. Open your browser and search for Leonardo AI. Click on Get Started to create an account if you don't already have one. But wait. At this point, if you're enjoying this video, probably subscribe to this channel and leave a like. Once logged in, select the image creation option to access the design interface. Before generating visuals, adjust the settings by setting the style to cinematic for a refined professional look, and changing the image dimensions to 9x6 to optimize for vertical video formats. Next, we'll need prompts to guide Leonardo AI in generating the desired images. Go to ChatGPT and ask it to provide prompts tailored to your script. After clicking enter, ChatGPT will deliver a list of customized prompts. Since we've already obtained the map image earlier, you can skip the related prompts and proceed with the others. Now, copy the prompt and go back to Leonardo AI. Paste the prompt into the input field and click Generate. Allow Leonardo AI to do its work. In just a few moments, you'll receive a selection of high-quality images based on your prompt. Carefully review the generated images and download your favorite one to your device. Repeat this process with the remaining prompts to complete the collection of visuals for your video. With all the visuals prepared, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now it's time to add music to enhance the engagement of your video. Instead of spending hours searching for free, non-copyrighted tracks, we'll create custom music using Suno. Open your browser and search for suno.com. Sign up for an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, click on the music icon to access the creation interface. Since we're focusing on instrumental music to complement the visuals and narration, we'll skip adding lyrics and focus on selecting a music style. Head over to ChatGPT and ask for recommendations on the best music style for your script. Once you receive suggestions that match the tone and theme, copy the recommended style and return to Suno. Paste the style into the designated field, give your track a title, and click Create. Suno will generate custom music based on your chosen style. Once complete, you'll receive 2 unique tracks. Take a moment to listen to both options, select your favorite, and download it to your device. I will go in for the second one. The final step is where everything comes together with editing. For this, we'll use CapCut. Open CapCut, then click on New Project and import the map and images we generated earlier. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 to ensure the video is optimized for vertical formats. Next, import the voiceover we created using 11 Labs into CapCut. Arrange the clips and sync them with the voiceover, ensuring the visuals align perfectly with the narration for a seamless viewing experience. To make the map more dynamic, we will add some animation. Select the map clip and rotate it slightly. Add a keyframe at the beginning of the clip, then move to the middle of the clip and rotate the map back to its original position to add another keyframe. For an extra effect, add another keyframe at the beginning of the same clip, then stretch it further in the middle to add another keyframe. This will create a smooth rotating zoom-in effect. Now import the country flag you downloaded and resize it. Position the flag over the country you're referencing on the map to provide clarity and visual appeal. Next, we add transitions to our clips. Select a transition style you like, then to use it across all clips. Now we enhance the rest of the clips by adding a zoom-in effect. Select a clip, add a keyframe at the beginning, and then slightly stretch the clip at the end to add another keyframe. This will create a subtle zoom-in effect. Repeat this process for all remaining clips to keep the visuals engaging. Import the custom music you created with Suno and add it to your project. Adjust the volume as needed so it complements the voiceover without overpowering it. Finally, we add captions to our video. Click on Text, select Auto Captions, and choose a template. Then click Generate. CapCut will automatically sync captions to your voiceover. Now let's make our text pop out well. Start by clicking on the template option. Select the best one, which would suit the video like I'm doing right now. Now adjust the text to fit the clip. Once done, play through the entire video to check if it is well edited. If everything looks perfect, click on Export, set the video resolution to 4K, and download the final video to your device. Now let's watch the final result.
Welcome to Oymyakon, Russia, the coldest inhabited place on Earth. This remote Siberian village holds the record for the lowest temperature ever recorded outside Antarctica, a bone-chilling -67.7 degrees Celsius or -89.6 degrees Fahrenheit. But how do people survive in a place where cars freeze solid and eyelashes turn to icicles in seconds? Life here revolves around preparation. Homes are heated with firewood or coal, and it's a never-ending battle to keep warm. Fishing through thick ice is one way locals gather food. Meat and fish form the basis of their diet because farming is impossible in these extreme conditions. Despite the harshness, Oymyakon's beauty is undeniable. It's a place where survival meets resilience and life endures in the heart of the frozen wilderness.
I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future money-making tips. Let me know in the comments which of these websites you're most excited to try, and if you've already had success with any of them, I'd love to hear your stories. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.